Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another unboxing for you, and this time it's an unboxing by Victoriasmoon. They were so kind to send me the package. So I chose a square diamond painting, and I'm really excited to see what's inside. But if you want to order a painting from them as well, please check out the description because I have a 10% discount code for you. So let's get into opening this thing. First of all, what I can see is there are some instructions on the side. It says they use DMC colors, which is good. So yeah. First of all, what's inside is this pen. They did message me to say that there was a pen included that is not custom in all orders. So this is not a pen you would normally see. And I have a very curious cat with me, so don't mind him. But this pen is also, I think it's also available on their website, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And there is another cat. Hey! I'm filming this downstairs in the living room, so yeah. This pen looks absolutely gorgeous. So this pen has a very, let me try to focus it. This pen has a very, very narrow pointy tip on this side, and it has a rubber tip on this side. And as you can see, it's nice and sparkly. So I think I'll get some use out of this. Then onto the painting itself. So I chose a 45 by 60 centimeter diamond painting, a square one. I'm going to flatten it in a bit, but let me first show you the inventory sheet. As you can see, it contains all the symbols, the DMC number, and the amount of drills you need. So that's nice. It also includes a, hey, is there a problem? What problem is it? And let us know. And it contains drills in pre-sealed bags, which I'm a really big fan of because it saves on kitting out. Inside there's this toolkit with some sharp pointy tweezers, a regular diamond painting pen with a grip, and by the looks of it, a 10 placer. There is a big plate of wax and just a normal standard white tray, and this is some sort of sticker. So I went ahead and flattened the canvas a little bit. You can see some folds in here, but that's just some air bubble from me not putting the paper back on properly. There are no rivers in it. Everything looks good. So on the left top side, you can see the legend with the image. Let me zoom you in on it. And this is this Harry Potter themed image. You see Hedwig, you see the Harry Potter glasses there. This book spells magic. I'm not sure if you can see it right now. So yeah, this is a really beautiful image. And as you can see, this has an opaque cover, which means that it's a double-sided adhesive. And if you look at the symbols, they're all really nice and clear. However, I would recommend using a light pad with this because some symbols, especially when you're working at it in the dark, can look a bit similar. But with a light pad, this shouldn't be a problem at all. Then lastly, I want to look at the drills. As I mentioned, I chose square drills. And as you can see, they look good. Just picking a few colors. They all look pretty good to me. Let's look at one of the darker colors because darker colors usually tend to show the most imperfections because they're harder to cut for the machine. And although I see some inconsistencies, they all look pretty good to me. They don't have any concave backs, so they will stick. And I think you'll have plenty of extra drills to filter out for the bad ones. But all in all, this looks like good quality drills to me. So yeah, that was my unboxing of this Victoriasmoon kit. Like I said, there's a discount code in the description if you want to purchase one of their paintings yourself. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing down below if you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos. But for now, that's it and have a nice day. Bye!